Hey guys, today I'm going to show you kind of how to set up your profile with open broadcasting software to be able to record a game perfectly or beautifully, if you will. First, you want to go to the obsproject.com, then go to download, select what you want, which is going to be Studio. Make sure that you get Studio and download OBS Studio. That's all you need. Once you download it, run the program, and you'll have a screen that looks like that. Like, it'll just look completely black. Ignore the infinite loop. Anyways, what you're gonna want to do is go to Profile, which I can't go to right now, but I'll just do scene selection. Go to scene selection, type in new, type in the name for your scene. For mine, I have desktop, game capture 1, and game capture plus webcam. Don't want to create a new one because I'm recording on one. But then once you go create your profile, which I call local recording because I'm recording locally on my computer, that's when you make a scene. You can have different scenes for different things. Will it let me? Yeah, but it goes to different settings. I'm not sure if it's even still recording at this point. But then you go over here to plus if you want to add a new one, name it whatever you want. Sources, that's basically where the source of your video, audio, gameplay, etc. is coming from. Just click that little plus there. You can add images, but what you really want to use is display capture, which is your desktop, or if you're recording a game capture. When you do game capture, it usually has a setting put in, I'll create new, to where, look at that, capture full screen application. So if you go full screen, you'll be able to automatically start, which doesn't work all the time. Like, I'm going to play Gary's mod in a little bit, and that's why I'm using desktop capture, because Gary's mod doesn't really run with the full screen thing for some reason. I don't know why, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Now, to make all your settings perfecto, you gotta go to settings, of course. Now, where is it? General, you can put it whatever language you want. It doesn't really matter. Stream doesn't matter. I mean, if you're going to be streaming, then you can stream to whatever you want. I actually might start streaming to YouTube when I fix my new computer up. See, output. Audio bitrate 320 because that's the best you can get, and you have no excuse not to do 320. You really don't. Make sure your bitrate is whatever you can get. I'm running on a 720p monitor, and so I'm going to run at 6500 bit rates, but if you have a 1080p monitor, you might want to do, what is it, 12,000. Sorry, I was trying to remember the numbers. Recording format, make sure it's MP4 because it's the most widely used format out there right now, so that's very useful. Now let's go over to audio. Now you can do multiple audio decks, which I might do later on, but that would be to record your game volume and you on different tracks. Let's see, your desktop audio device, which would be default, or you can change it if you have different speakers, but your computer is usually good at selecting what you want. Your audio device, you'll actually have to go and select. I'm using my cameras, so I have to click on that. But if you're using like a snowball or whatever, it'll say right there, if you have Realtek high definition audio, that would be my microphone I had plugged in before. I can't figure out how to get it to work because it's broken. Okay, you can leave all this stuff alone if you want, or you can set it to push to mute either the cam or mic. Just, push whatever buttons, you can add a delay to it and it'll mute it. Video, let's see, base canvas is whatever your base computer is, because, I mean, you can't run higher, and why would you run lower? Output scaled resolution, if you're not streaming to something like Twitch, make it the exact same as your base resolution. And you want your FPS value to be whatever you can run. I'm running at 48. Once I get my new gaming computer, I'll run at 59.94, 60 frames per second. But you can run it at 30 frames per second and still be pretty good for a lot of games. Hotkeys, you can set as many hotkeys as you want. I think it's useless. Okay, go to advanced and you want your render to be under direct 3D 11. That's what most people use, most normal people. And I think that's it. I'll make sure to click apply before you exit out after you change stuff. And click OK. I'm going to click cancel because I'm weird. Now, what you want to do is go to start recording to actually start recording and make a video. Videos are automatically set to your video folder, which video folder for this PC. If you have multiple hard drives, it would be a really good thing to have in this case, because you'd put your videos in one hard drive and your games would be in another hard drive, so you're not bottlenecking your system and causing it to run a little slower. These are all test videos I did when I was first kind of like playing with the Open Broadcasting Studio, because I'm used to the old version, which sucks. And if you're streaming, you can start streaming directly to whatever your feed is. It's pretty useful. Alright, this is OBS Studio. This is Open Broadcasting software. Yeah, I'm trying to record something, you douche. And that's my roommate. He's a douchebag. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.